If you thought today's biggest automotive story couldn't get any more interesting, wait until you hear what happened.
When I first read today's headlines, I honestly didn't expect the story to take this direction. There's a lot to unpack.
So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's dive right into today's biggest automotive stories. You know, Maya, if there's one thing that's clear in today's automotive landscape, it's that artificial intelligence is reshaping how dealerships operate. It's almost like we're at the dawn of a new era.
Absolutely. It's fascinating to think about how AI is already being integrated into dealership operations. I mean, just last week, I read about a dealership using AI to personalize customer interactions. What's your take on that?
It's a game changer, really. Personalization used to be a labor-intensive process. Now, AI can analyze customer data and preferences to tailor communication and recommendations. It can predict what a customer might want before they even ask for it. That's a pretty significant shift.
Wow, that's impressive. But do you think dealerships are fully ready to embrace this technology? I mean, it's one thing to have the tools, but it's another to effectively implement them.
That's where things get interesting. A lot of dealerships are still adapting. They need to not only invest in the technology, but also train their staff to leverage it effectively. Plus, there's a cultural shift that needs to happen, moving from traditional sales tactics to more data-driven approaches.
Right. I can imagine some longstanding employees might be resistant to change. It's like, how do you convince someone who's been doing things one way for decades to suddenly trust a machine to help them out?
That's a valid concern. The transition must be gradual. A lot of dealerships are starting with tools like chatbots and virtual assistants to handle basic queries. It's less intimidating for staff and allows them to see the benefits firsthand.
Speaking of benefits, what specific advantages do you think AI brings to the table for dealerships?
Well, for starters, efficiency. AI can streamline processes like inventory management, predicting which vehicles will be in demand. Not to mention, it can enhance the customer experience by providing instant support anytime, day or night.
That's a major plus. And let's not forget about lead generation. AI can analyze online behavior to identify potential buyers. It sounds like such a smart way to target marketing efforts.
Exactly. But it's not a magic bullet. There are challenges. For instance, data privacy concerns are huge. Dealerships must ensure they're compliant with regulations while still utilizing customer data effectively.
That's true, and customers are becoming more aware of how their data is used. It's a balancing act. If dealerships can't build trust, they might alienate potential buyers.
Right. That's why transparency is key. If dealerships can clearly communicate how they use AI and data to enhance the customer experience, it can actually build trust rather than erode it.
So, where do you see this going in the next few years? What's the future outlook for AI in dealership operations?
I think we'll see even more sophisticated AI applications. Imagine virtual reality showrooms paired with AI. Customers could take virtual test drives from home, guided by an AI that understands their preferences.
Now, that sounds like something out of a sci fi movie, but it also highlights how the customer experience could be transformed entirely.
It really could. And as AI continues to evolve, we might even see predictive maintenance alerts for vehicles based on AI analysis of usage patterns. That's a game changer for service departments.
Oh, that's an interesting angle. If dealerships could proactively reach out to customers before they even realize their vehicle needs maintenance, it could significantly enhance customer satisfaction.
Exactly, and in a competitive market, that kind of proactive service could be the differentiator that sets a dealership apart.
There's definitely a lot of potential here, but it seems like the key to success will be the human touch, balancing technology with personal customer relationships.
Well said. At the end of the day, people still want to feel valued, not just like another data point. It's all about using AI to enhance human interactions rather than replace them.
I love that perspective. It'll be exciting to see how dealerships evolve with AI in the mix. We're in for quite a ride.
Definitely, it's going to be a fascinating journey as technology continues to shape the automotive industry.
Thanks for this insightful chat, Alec. There's so much happening in the world of dealerships and AI, and it's great to share these ideas.
Thanks, Maya. I enjoyed our conversation, and I can't wait to explore more automotive topics with you in the future.
Until next time.